Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to stop Microsoft Edge from running in the background. Let's begin. First, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Next, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Settings. On the left side, click System and Performance. Here, find the option that says Continue running background extensions and apps when Microsoft Edge is closed. Turn this switch off. This will stop Edge from staying active once you close the browser. Just below that, you'll also see Startup Boost. Turn this option off as well, since it allows Edge processes to run in the background to launch faster. After you've switched both options off, close the Settings tab. From now on, Microsoft Edge will fully close and won't keep running behind the scenes. And that's it! You've successfully stopped Microsoft Edge from running in the background. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials.